G'day all, welcome back to Built by Chris. In this episode I'm going to be taking part in Mark Dana's Rubbish Wood Challenge of 2021. I had a customer ring me not that long ago and asked for a certain item that I made them, and they wanted another one so they could present as a gift to somebody. Now the item in question was one of these. It's just a little pot holder, the idea that I got from Ainsley from Small Fry Creations. She wanted another one, so I thought, you know what, this will fit the bill. I've got some really crappy pallet wood, and I'll make it out of that. I think it ticks all the boxes. So if you want to see how it all came together, follow me and I'll show you how easy it was. So there it is, my entry into the Mark Dana Rubbish Wood Challenge of 2021. I think it turned out really well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm pretty sure the customer's going to be pretty happy with it. As for the challenge, I'm pretty sure I ticked all the boxes. It was pretty crappy wood to begin with, as you saw at the start of the video. And thanks to my jointer thicknesser combo, turned it into some really, really nice wood. And once I stained it all up, came out really nice. So if you liked the video that you just saw, please give me a thumbs up, and if you think I've earned it, please hit that subscription button as well. I'd really appreciate it. Let everybody know what I've been up to, share the video around. And with that, I'm going to say bye for now.